Check this out, guys. Using this free listening tool for market, customer, and content research, I've been able to generate anywhere between $20 and $180 a day online. With today currently being at $101.17 a day. Yesterday I didn't convert anything, which is completely okay. You will get days like these. The day before that, $78.85, and the day before that, my biggest day of $187.32. Before that, just one sale of $17.30. All of this is coming from affiliate commissions, and all of this over here is my net profit and the cut that I take home into my wallet. All of this comes from affiliate commissions. We're not going to be selling products to a random audience by copying and pasting affiliate links, spamming that on Facebook groups or Quora posts or Reddit stories and hoping random people click on our link. I've purposely constructed the strategy to target a specific audience in a very specific way and get as many conversions and sales with this as possible, and into a decent amount of income. Like you can see over here, anywhere between $20 and nearly $200 a day. For those of you that have been watching my channel for quite some time, you would know that I document my journey on this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to try drop as much as value as possible and focus on affiliate marketing and how to make affiliate commissions just like this using this particular strategy that I've developed with this free artificial intelligence listening tool for customer and content research, combined with another tool that will also automatically do a lot of the hard work for you. I really recommend that you pay attention to today's video, as I'm going to reveal every single secret that I have with this and each and every step that I've constructed in the most understandable format for you to understand, so that you don't miss anything, so that you can go and do this and replicate this yourself. I've discovered that most of you guys like free traffic methods where you can make a small amount of income to reinvest into the paid strategies to scale and make even more money from there, which is exactly what I'm going to be focusing on in today's video. I really hope you guys get as much as value from this as possible, and this video is not going to be some crazy upsell to a $2,000 course or anything like that. All of that information is on my YouTube channel completely for free. But before we dive straight into my PC and the strategy, my name is Jay, your No BS South African online entrepreneur, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you want to get a personal message and notification from me to your phone every time I upload my latest way of making money online, make sure to go down below and subscribe to this Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel with the red notification bell on, so that I can send you that notification every time I upload. Alright guys, so we are now inside of my computer, but before we start, I would like you to do one thing for me. I've got a challenge for you guys in today's video. If we can get this video to 500 likes by the end of tomorrow, I will do a $30 Bitcoin giveaway in my next video for a lucky viewer to win. So let me know in the comments if you're up for that challenge by leaving a like, and in tomorrow's video I will announce how you can go and win this $30. But without further ado, let's continue straight into the strategy. One of my favorite websites to make money online, and my personal best alternative to clickbank.com, is Digistore24, simply because they have such an easy sign up process. Compared to ClickBank, you can sign up in any country in the world and get approved immediately to access their network of thousands of different affiliate products that you can become an affiliate for and earn up to 80% per sale that you make, depending on the type of product that you want to go and promote. There are people in companies all over the world that list their software products, their programs, their courses, their ebooks, their health and fitness, whatever digital product you can think of is listed on this website, available for people like you and me and other people in the world to go and promote and make money off of. So this website is really a win-win system, because you can make money from selling their product, and the creator of the product also makes money because you're getting sales for them, and you don't have to put in any hard work in designing your own product, designing landing pages, designing marketing content. All of that is provided for you and created for you. If you think about it, in a normal 9-to-5 job that only pays anywhere between 2 and 5% sales commission bonuses, this website pays up to 80%, which is obviously substantially larger than that of a 9-to-5 job, which is nearly the full amount of the actual product. So to go and get started on Digistore24.com, as you can see on my screen on the top right, you will see there's a big register now button. Go and click on this, and you can go and fill in all of this information over here. It's very simple info, such as your time zone, email, password, username, name, address, and then you can register over here completely for free. So I already have a free account on Digistore24.com, which I'm going to log in with, and then I'll meet you on my dashboard. Your dashboard will look something like this once you've signed in. Make sure to click on the marketplace button on the top right and you'll be prompted up with all sorts of various different categories on the left hand side over here. So my personal favorite feature of affiliate marketing is that you can go and build a business, a career, or a side hustle out of any field, whether you're passionate about it, whether it's something that you love, or whether it's something that you've always wanted to try. You've got all the freedom and choices to really go and promote and do what you want with this. So for example, if you're a health and fitness instructor, you can go and promote products and build a side hustle out of that existing brand that you already have in the fitness and health category over here by clicking on it, and you will see tons of various different products that you can promote, such as the Ultimate Keto Custom Diet Program, Smart Blood Sugar, Keto Desserts, the best desserts and recipes, a cookbook recipe, which is perfect products to plug into any kind of existing business that you perhaps have. Or if you've always wanted to get into health and fitness, this is also the perfect opportunity to do so. My personal favorite and what I'm passionate about is building businesses, building online streams of income, building up revenue, which suits me is the internet and e-marketing category over here. Internet marketing and e-business, click on this. This is the example I'm going to be using for today's video, and you will find a whole bunch of different products relative to that niche, such as a YouTube mastery and monetization program by Matt Parr, which you will get paid a 50% commission of $224.23 every single sale that you make through this unique affiliate link over here. Another tool or program called the Secret Millionaire Bot, which is another online course. You will get paid a 50% commission of $26. The $1 Million Replicator, another program, 2 monetization and automation program, Millionaire Blueprints, and many other pages of other different products over here. For the example of this video, I'll use the Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr simply because your earnings is very solid at $224. I would rather much earn $224 over a $26 sale. So this product over here, you'll see your unique affiliate link. Make sure to save this tab open or save your affiliate link in any kind of notepad on your PC, as we're going to leave this here for now and we're going to come back to it later. And that's going to lead us to step number 2, which I spoke about in the intro of this video, is to come over to this free listening tool for market and customer and content research. So how this tool works is it's called answertherepublic.com. I'll zoom up on the screen so you can see how to spell it. When you type any specific keyword, for example, chocolate, into this keyword entry option over here and click on search, it's going to prompt up with hundreds of different questions that people are Googling on the internet relative to chocolate, which we can use those questions to target solutions and specific products to solve those people's questions. So for example, if I go and search up on this tool, since our product is about YouTube and YouTube monetization, we want to go and search here, YouTube, click on search, and let's go and have a look at what people on the internet are asking about YouTube. So as you can see over here, you've got questions, the YouTube keyword, you've got are, can, when, which, what, will, how, where, who, and why. This little wheel over here will then extend out to even more questions. So for example, under the how section, how YouTube ads work, how YouTube pays you, how YouTube earns money, how YouTube counts views, how the YouTube algorithm works, how YouTube pays. And for will YouTube music get lossless? Will YouTube run out of space? Will YouTube shut down in 2023? Will YouTube bring back dislikes? For what YouTube channels should I start? What YouTube videos are most popular? What YouTube has the most subscribers? For example, we've got over here, can YouTube shorts get monetized? Can YouTube videos be downloaded? Can YouTube make you rich? So all of these questions we can use as keywords to target on the internet, as these are viral keywords at the moment that the public is asking. So people are clearly looking for solutions to these problems. People are clearly looking for answers and solutions to these questions that they are asking. Let's, for our case, go and use this question, what YouTube channel should I start? Which is one of the most popular questions asked by people wanting to start YouTube. So now that we have a product that can solve this question and we have a question that needs answers, that's going to lead us to step number 3, is to come over to this tool over here called writesonic.com, which is another artificial intelligence assistance for copywriting, marketing, and content creation, which is also completely free. You'll see over here on the home screen at writesonic.com. You can go and click on Start Writing for free, create a free account, which I've already got. So again, I'm going to sign in with my free account and meet you on the dashboard. After you've signed in, your dashboard will look like this with all sorts of different tools that WriteSonic offers. For example, an automatic instant article writer, automatic Instagram captions, a tweet generator to create captivating tweets, YouTube descriptions done for your YouTube intros for you as a content creator, an entire artificial intelligence article writer, a content rephraser. So if you're in school and you're busy having to write paragraphs for your home language or for history and you've got to make an essay and you want to avoid plagiarism, you can literally copy and paste that essay out of your book, paste it into the content rephraser, and it will rephrase the words into your own done for you work, which avoids all of that hard work for you again. So that is why I really like this tool. It's an artificial intelligence that does a lot of hard work in the content and copywriting niche. It can create done for you Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Google ads, descriptions, apps and SMS notifications, Quora answers, Amazon product descriptions. You can scroll through this website and take a look at what they've got. But the most important tool that we're going to be using for today's strategy and actually making money with this is the AI Article Writer 3.0. So go and click on the AI Article Writer 3.0. On the left-hand side, you will see it asks you for a topic. Simply come over to answertherepublic.com, copy your question that you've chosen, come back to the article writer, paste this over here. In my case, what YouTube channel should I start? Click on generate. It will give you 3 titles to choose from, such as how to start a YouTube channel, the ultimate guide for beginners, how to start a YouTube channel, the complete guide to becoming an online celebrity. So I'm going to go and choose this one. Click on generate again so we can go and generate our introduction. It will give you 3 introductions to go and choose from. I'm going to go and choose the first one. It doesn't really matter. You can just choose one which you think sounds the best. Thirdly, go and click on generate again so we can generate our outline, which will then construct a section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 format, such as what is a YouTube channel, why creating a YouTube channel is worth it. You can go and choose, again, any one of these. I'm going to go and choose the first one over here. So now that we have an article title, introduction, and our outline, take a look at this. By the click of a button, this tool is going to generate a done for you article in just a couple of seconds. And take a look at this. This tool has now created the perfect article on how to start a YouTube channel and the complete guide to becoming an online celebrity, with even adding pictures, your introduction, your entire sections over here, and then your conclusion over here. Go and highlight your entire article, including the pictures and all the text, right click, copy, come over to this website called vocal.media, which is a website that currently gets anywhere between 2 and 3 million views every single month on posts and articles that are posted on this website. So go and click on create story on the top right side of this website over here. And take a look at this. You can go and add your own title, subtitle, and your entire story to this website. And we can use this website to not only make money from affiliate commissions through our article, but to also actually make money off of our articles. So essentially, this website opens up 2 different streams of income. Go and paste your title from your article over here. So just go and copy the title. Go and paste this in the title. For your subtitle, you can go and copy this entire subtitle over here. For your entire story, go and copy your entire body, paste this over here. And for an image, you can simply just go and click on Unsplash Image and just go and search up YouTube under the stock content and go and click on this first image over here, for example. Now, the most important part of this video, which I want you to pay attention to, is you want to, under the first paragraph of what is a YouTube channel, just click on enter twice, and you want to go and type the following. See why people prefer to use this auto YouTube channel and monetization creation program to generate ad revenue of up to $500 per day. Click here to watch video. You want to highlight this text, click on bold. Again, click on link, come over to Digistore 24, copy your affiliate link, come back to vocal.media, paste your link click on the little tick over here, and it makes this entire text one clickable button to your affiliate link over here, which we can now go and click on Save Changes on the top and right side, and we have now published our article publicly on this website. If I copy the link of this website called vocal.media and I come over to another website called similarweb.com, I can actually take a look at some of the back end of this website and have a look at how much traffic this website is getting and even what countries this traffic is coming from. So if I scroll down, you can take a look at this website is currently getting anywhere between 1.9 and 2.2 million views every single month. Now that we have an article with a very popular question being asked on Google right now and a very well-paying affiliate program, we can now easily get a piece of this traffic every single day by people viewing our article. And a lot of this traffic is coming from top tier countries such as United States, United Kingdom, and Australia and Canada. And nothing is stopping you from copying and pasting these articles onto as many article publishing websites that you want to replicate the virality on various different websites instead of just one. So come over to Google and go and search best article publishing websites. Go and click on the first link over here called digitaluncover.com. And if you scroll down, you will see over here, it gives you a list of 10 websites, such as github.com, isnare.com, storify.com, goarticles.info, quora.com, ArticleBiz, eZine Articles, myarticles.com. Go and click on any one of these, for example. For example, I'm going to use articlebiz.com. You can simply come over to submit article on the top right side and go and replicate the same process. Your title, category, and your article body, and go and post everything over here and just repeat the same process. If you really want to shortcut the process, you can come over to Fiverr.com and simply pay someone anywhere between $1 and $5 to resubmit your article on hundreds of different websites. For example, this person over here will charge 96 Rand, which is $5, to publish your article 70 times on 70 different high quality article websites. This person is also charging $5 for 50 publishers. This person is charging $90 for 80 plus submissions on different article websites. So instead of now having to manually go and open up every single website 80 times and having to copy paste, you can just pay someone on Fiverr $5 to go and do the same thing for you without doing that yourself. I'm going to help you out even more with free traffic, affiliate marketing, even creating your own funnels and giving you even more value and much as information as possible. What I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I've compiled all of my best affiliate marketing strategies, free traffic strategies, paid strategies, every single piece of training and skills you need regards to affiliate marketing. I've compiled all of my videos on my YouTube channel into one simple playlist and course on YouTube for you guys to watch. It's completely free on YouTube. I could easily take this information and go and put it into a $500 or $900 course, but I've decided to leave everything on YouTube completely for free for you guys to go and watch. So if you want to go and find that information, what I'm going to do is on the screen over here somewhere, I'm going to leave that entire playlist, which consists of about 300 different affiliate marketing videos. What I recommend is go and pay attention to all the traffic secrets that I've posted in these videos. You can go and apply that strategy with some of these traffic strategies, or if you want to try something else and completely different with affiliate marketing, this playlist consists of courses there too. So what I recommend is go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.